How's it going everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can download and install the WhatsApp application on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so now to do that, first thing first, simply go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. I'm going to open up the search bar here and I'm going to search for Microsoft Store. So you'll get to see the Microsoft Store. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And from the home page, simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp here. Once you have searched for it, you'll get to see the WhatsApp. You just need to click on this one. And you just need to go ahead and click on install here. And once the installation is done, simply go ahead and click on open. And this is going to open up the WhatsApp application right here. And now to log in the WhatsApp, you just need to click on get started and it's going to show you the QR code. And now from your phone, you just need to open up the WhatsApp and you just need to go to the settings of your WhatsApp from here. So I'm going to go to the settings, and from the settings, you scroll down and tap on link devices. And here you just need to tap on link devices and you just need to scan the QR code. You just need to scan this QR code right from here. So I'm going to scan the QR code here. And the WhatsApp will be logged in on your PC or laptop. Hope you find this pretty helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.